Good morning, everyone. It's me, Lex, and welcome to Daily Trading Notes. The PSEi closed just slightly above the 5,900 level last week and seems like the local market is trading sideways with a downward bias. Given the lack of eventual catalyst that can add confidence in a market, we may see the market continue its weakness this week. Keep an eye of its major support levels at 575.8. Meanwhile, immediate resistance is set at 6,000. We advise to stay on sidelines and wait for the huge dips of the market to take advantage of some select companies. We are maintaining our select picks this week among our BPI, GTCap, SecB, Ali, CNPF, and Pure Gold. We like either safe haven sectors during the pandemic, such as consumer and telco, or companies that are extremely cheap in terms of historical averages. Meanwhile, in other news, inflation likely settled between 2.5 to 3.3% last month from 2.7% in July. This is in line with BSP's inflation guidance until 2022 to stay between the 2 to 4% band. Upside risk remains, such as higher gasoline and LPG prices. However, these are expected to be tempered by the reduced power rates from Meralco serviced areas as a result of the appreciation of the peso against the US dollar. Meanwhile, year-to-date inflation is at 2.5%, slightly below the estimate of 2.6% this year. In other news, Meralco's franchise is also at risk. According to Senator Win Gatchalian, who also chairs the Senate Energy Committee, warned that Congress could exercise its oversight function to revoke Meralco's franchise after it said it would appeal the 19 million peso fine that the ERC had imposed on the company for failing to clearly explain to customers the spike in their monthly bills. Meralco had billed customers based on average consumption from December to February because of meter reading could not be done in March and April due to the ECQ in Luzon that was aimed at preventing the spread of COVID. This poses a risk to Meralco, as we're afraid we might see the same volatility as we've seen to water concessionaires earlier this year. That wraps up our daily trading notes. We'll see you again tomorrow. Stay safe.